Hi, my name is 𝗙𝗂𝘁 and I'm a machinist for a living. I wanted to get a building to potentially do some machining in one day. I picked a 24 by 30 building because I wanted to fit 2 vehicles in it. And I had enough room to go a little bit deeper, so I had a little extra storage in the back area and room for some extra stuff if I needed. The installation process was pretty easy. They kept us in the loop. They notified us whenever we were going to be having a crew coming out. I would say they did a pretty good job. One of the things I liked was the inside structure. A lot of these buildings, they have the straight across and it makes it to where you lose a lot of that space if you want to try to utilize it anyway. This design gives you the supports to where you've actually got room. If I want to put a 4-post lift for a vehicle, I've got room to go up and down without hitting stuff. I've also got room to build possible storage up top if I wanted to, or something along those lines. This particular design gives me a lot of versatility. So we're definitely going to try several different things in the garage. I'm going to park some cars in different ways, maybe pull some stuff out of other storage areas to try it in there, see what fits best, what works best. And we've got a lot of room to work with, so we're excited to see how we can utilize it. If I could add one future feature, it would be insulation and unlimited power AC unit. I would recommend Allen's. I think overall they did a pretty good job, and I think they were a good kind of middle of the road price. They weren't too expensive, they weren't too cheap, and overall I'm happy with the product that I received.